that I really like. Here's the first one I got from them. This, I'm not product pushing, but you see this Hipa? This is actually really good. It's like gator line. I've been using it, I like it, but that's really good line. But I found my favorite from Hipa. This is not, again, I'm not paid to say this or nothing. It's 105 twist. OMG. I've used every twist. I don't know. I have this on my Echo, and I was using my Echo today. Let me show you. And I fell in love with this twist. I mean, in love with this twist line. It's like 105, but man, see, it's not fraying on the ends at all. It stays straight right there on the 450 speed feed. Well, right there's a fray. I was doing rocks. But anyway, that's amazing. Yeah, it does got one little fray on it. But anyway, it's trimmer line. Every trimmer line just about frays a little bit. This is, I forgot what. I've got so many trimmer lines in these things, I forget. Here's the other gator line, but it's Hipa. See, I use that in my Red Max. So I was trying this one today, and oh my gosh, dude, I swear it's like, it says it's 105, but there ain't no way. That more like 80 to 95, but it's as strong as 105. I don't know what, who's made, I don't know. It's good. I have to actually, I don't know where they get it. They don't have 3-pound rolls that I've seen, because now I want a 3-pound roll of this. And just try it. You don't even have to believe me. Just, it's only like 15 bucks, so it ain't even no money. It's like buying lunch one time, and you get that whole fat roll of it. Very happy.